I book a room. My name is Brian.
You have a reservation under the name of Brian Gonzalez, right?
Yes.
Let me check. Mr. Brian Gonzalez, you already have your reservation, right? You just have to sign the receipt. How about you stay in the day on this other please?
It includes the morning buffet, right?
That's right, sir. The price that is not included in your room is not the morning room. As well, the room service will be 5,000 per year. That is the price.
Okay, here.
Thank you, sir. Here is your card. And your room number is 615. We will reserve that boy for you to carry your luggage and escort you to your room.
Thank you. By the way, me and my brother is first time here in Manila. Do you have any recommended places?
Yes, sir. We also have a booklet for every guest to visit the places near the hotel. And since this is your first time in here, I recommend you to visit the three national museum in the Philippines and also the Laneta Park and the Cross. These places is perfect to visit and explore history of the Philippines. Those places is open for visiting.
Oh, really? That's great to hear. My brother and I really love to explore history and new things for us as well.
It will be suitable for you, sir. This place is full of possibility and significance. Absolutely, those places are included in this booklet. And this is a hotel over there for visiting. And also, if you want to walk, there's a guide in your book.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for